Good morning, students. Welcome to the lecture series of Computer Fundamentals. I am Anuradha Sharma, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Information Technology. Welcome all of you to this session. So, before starting today's session, let's discuss about the syllabus of the Computer Fundamentals. The whole syllabus is divided into 4 modules. In the first module, we will study about the introduction to computer system, in which we will study about the evolution of computer, the generation of the computer system, computer architecture, data representation, and the computer hardware and software. In the second module, we will study about the operating system, in which we will study about what is operating system, what are the functions of operating system, need of operating system, different types of operating system. In the third module, we will study about the business data processing, in which we will study about the file management system, file organization, database management system, how to add a record and delete the value in the database management system. And in the fourth module, we will study about the data communication and the computer network, in which we will study about the analog and the digital data transmission, about the network topology, OSI layer. So, in this semester, we will study about the computer fundamental in detail. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss about the overview of the computer system, in which we will study about what is computer system, what are the need of the computer system, characteristics of computer system. So let's discuss about the introduction to computer system. Before going in depth about the computer system, the first thing is get to know about what do you mean by a computer. The very simple definition of a computer system is that it is an electronic device that can perform a variety of operations in accordance with the set of instructions called program. Or you can say that it is an electronic device that is used for the information processing. It is generated from the Latin word which means compute. It is also known as a calculation machine. So basically, a computer system perform a variety of operations in accordance with the set of instructions that is given to it. This set of instructions are called program. A computer system consists of a computer, a peripheral devices, that is your input devices and the output devices, and a software. I will discuss about the peripheral devices software in detail in my later classes. Now, a computer system can access input, it processes data, it stores data and produces output. Input refers to whatever which is given to the computer system. Through the input devices, we give the input to the computer system. Data refers to the symbol that represents the facts, objects, and the ideas. If we talk about the data in the computer terminology, it is known it can be defined as raw facts and figures. For example, let's talk about if we have the data like Mohan, then we have 1977 plus 752 minus 761. So these all are data which does not have any meaning. But once when we process data to get a meaningful information, then it becomes a information. So information means a processed data. For example, let's see that Mohan is a boy, or Mohan was born in the year 1977. Then it becomes a meaningful information. Once we give the input to the computer system processes it and then produces the output. Processing is the way data computer manipulate data, and the processing is performed in a device which is called the central processing unit. A computer system also consists of a memory because it has to store a lot of data. So all the data and the informations are stored in the memory, and memory can be defined as an area of a computer system that holds the data that is waiting to be processed, stored, or output. Storage is the area where data can be left on a permanent basis. Computer output is the result produced by the computer system. An output device displays, prints, or transmits the results of the processing. I think nowadays we don't have any field where we don't use a computer system. We are moving to the digitized world where everything is done using the computer system. The computer system performs the task so fast and provide the result more accurate than the human being. So we all are using the computer in a very large scale. Now let's see this image. Here we have the input devices, the processing unit, and the output devices. Here the keyboard is the input devices through which we provide the input to the computer system. Now this is our CPU where the processing takes place, and we have the primary storage as well as the secondary storage where we store the data, and once this data is processed, it produces output which can be displayed through the monitor, through the printer, and there are many other output devices. Now in my second lecture I will discuss about the characteristics of the computer system, its and the advantages. Thank you.